welcome back to my channel. And in this episode of A Little Taste of Peru, I'm gonna be sharing with you a chicken recipe. It's called mustard chicken. And this mustard chicken recipe is so delicious. You guys are gonna love it. And the marinade that we're gonna put it in, it's gonna make the chicken really juicy. And it's so quick and easy that it's like an everyday recipe. Most of all, you guys could pair it up with whatever you want. If you want to eat it with rice, with salad, maybe some mashed potatoes, or some bread, it's really up to you. But I tell you, you and your family are really gonna like the flavor in it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients. Guys, these are all the ingredients that we're gonna need. I have here about 5 chicken thighs that I've already taken out all the fat and they're boneless. I also have mustard, yellow mustard. I have soy sauce, oregano, salt, pepper, and cumin. These are all the ingredients that we're gonna be needing. So this is what we need to do. Basically, you're just gonna mix it all in. The mustard. I'm gonna put the soy sauce in. We're gonna put some pepper. Now, as you know, the soy sauce is already salty, so I'm gonna put like a pinch, hardly anything. You don't even have to put salt in it because it already has salt with the soy sauce. But if you want to, or if you think it might need it, go for it. I'm gonna put a little bit of oregano. And I'm gonna add the cumin. And then we're just gonna mix it all. Now, I recommend you use your hands, but it's really up to you. I'm actually gonna use my hands to mix it very well. And I know some of you are thinking, I don't know about the mustard, but trust me, when it comes to flavors, the soy sauce and the mustard are just, they just really season the chicken very well. Also, guys, I don't know if you noticed, but what I did was that I cut just the chicken, I sliced it up just a little bit, not all the way through, because when I fry it, I want to make sure that it gets cooked, thoroughly, and it doesn't take a very long time. So now that we went ahead and we mixed all this, what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna put some saran wrap right over it, and I'm just gonna put it in the refrigerator for like about 2 hours. I'm gonna let it marinate. You could marinate it for a lot longer than that, but 2 hours is more than enough for me. Okay, so our chicken has been marinating for about 2 hours now, and it's definitely ready for me to now fry it. Again, if you guys want to marinate it from the night before, or you want to leave it longer, it's not a problem. It's really up to you. I mean, really, the more it marinates, the more flavor it gets. So I would say minimum 2 hours, but leave it as long as you like. So we're gonna now turn on our pan. We're gonna put our stove on medium. And we're gonna put some oil. And I'm just gonna wait until this heats up enough for me to throw my chicken in. Okay, our oil seems to be pretty hot, so let's start dropping the chicken in there. Let me just give it a little shake. And that looks really good. So, just gonna start putting my chicken in there. And that is definitely the sound I wanna hear when I put it in. That means my oil's definitely pretty hot. So I'm just gonna keep dropping these in. Now what I want to do, I want to fry them. I want them to cook very well. And I'm gonna have them on that side for a few minutes, and I'm gonna flip them over to the other side until I see them, that it turns a nice brown color. All right guys, so you see the oil now, it's been about 3 minutes or so. It's starting to jump quite a bit. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna turn them so they could cook really well on the other side. And as you could see, some of them are pretty brown, but they're not fully cooked, and that's what we want. We want them to be fully cooked. Don't be scared to turn them. And now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna cover it. And then I'm just going to let that cook for a couple more minutes. All right, it's been cooking for about 3 minutes or so. I'm just gonna check them. They look really good. Just gonna move some around so this one needs to get a little bit more brown. All right, still needs a few more minutes. All right. So now what I'm gonna do, they're fully cooked. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna turn them so they could get brown once again on the other side, just so it could have some nice color. So it'll brown there for like about another minute, and then we could take them out. Okay, these are all set. I'm gonna go ahead and take them all out. And look at that beautiful brown color that they have. That is really, really nice. That's exactly what we wanted. And they're very nicely cooked. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and have a taste. And I had the chicken here, and I paired it up with some rice and with some avocado. Like I said before, you could pair it up with really whatever you want. Okay, it's a very, very easy chicken recipe. And I'm gonna have a little taste. It's so juicy, and it has so much flavor in it. It's delicious. You guys saw how easy this was and how quick we made it. You're gonna love it. Trust me when I tell you, you definitely need to make it because it's just so good and it's so quick and easy. So definitely give it a try, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Like always, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification button so whenever I'm posting new videos, you guys get an alert. All right, well, it was fun, and I will see you guys. Bye.